Welcome back to this informative video. Today, we will guide you step by step on how to apply for admission to Imam Mohammad Ibn Saud Islamic, University in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, along with important tips and requirements you must know before applying. First, let's talk about the university. Imam Mohammad Ibn Saud Islamic University is one of the most prestigious Islamic universities in Saudi Arabia. It is well known for its strong programs in Islamic studies, Arabic language Sharia, and also modern disciplines like engineering, economics, and computer science. Now, let's move to the application process. Step 1. Choose your program. Before applying, decide which program you want to study. The university offers undergraduate, master's, and PhD programs. Make sure your previous qualifications match the program requirements. Step 2. Check eligibility requirements. You must carefully review the admission criteria. Generally, for undergraduate programs, you need a high school certificate or equivalent. For postgraduate programs, you need a relevant bachelor's or master's degree. Also, proficiency in Arabic is very important, especially for Islamic studies programs. Step 3. Prepare required documents. You need to prepare the following documents: academic certificates and transcripts, valid passport copy, passport-size photos, recommendation letters for higher studies, personal statement or motivation letter, medical certificate if required. Make sure all documents are translated into Arabic or English and properly attested. Step 4. Apply online. Visit the official website of the university and go to the admission portal. Fill out the online application form carefully with accurate information. Upload all required documents and submit your application before the deadline. Step 5. Wait for review and acceptance after submission. The university will review your application. If you are selected, you will receive an acceptance letter via email or through the portal. Now, let's talk about some important tips. Tip 1. Apply early. Do not wait for the last date. Apply as early as possible to avoid technical problems. Tip 2. Focus on Arabic language. Since most programs are taught in Arabic, improving your Arabic skills will increase your chances of acceptance. Tip 3. Check scholarship opportunities. The university often offers fully funded scholarships for international students, including free tuition, accommodation, and monthly allowance. Tip 4. Follow official announcements. Always check the university's official website for the latest updates, deadlines, and requirements. Finally, let's summarize. Choose your program. Check eligibility. Prepare documents, apply online, and follow up on your application. With proper preparation and sincerity, you can achieve your dream of studying in Saudi Arabia. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational guides.